Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I'm doing a fun video. I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my BoxyLuxe box. I did open it already and undo the product, so this video is a little bit easier for me to film. So I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it. So of course it comes with this big list of everything. So of course it comes with this big list right here of everything, the description of it, and the price. So I'm going to say the MSRP on each and every product as I go through, and then at the end we will total up all the products and see how much we got in this box. Now BoxyLuxe only comes 3 times a year, or every 3 months. I mean, it only comes every 3 months, and it is $50 around. I think it's $21 for the BoxyCharm, just a regular BoxyCharm box, but when you get the BoxyLuxe, it just adds like $26 on top of that, so you're looking at around $50, and you get a lot of good products. Like, this is my second one, and I am in love with it. Like, I was so excited about this, so I'm going to just start opening these things and to show you what I got. So the first product that I'm really excited about, and I know it was kind of at the bottom, but I had to pull it out, is this. This is the PYT, and let me see what it's called. The PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. I'm really excited about this. I don't blow dry my hair often, so I don't need a big one, and my hair isn't that thick. It doesn't take that much to blow dry, so this would be perfect for me. So this is what I got. It looks like this. It did come with 2 different diffusing heads, so it came with this one and this one, and I'm really excited about this. It's just a little bit smaller for me to keep rather than keeping a big blow dryer that I use maybe like once a year. And the MSRP on that is $85, so right there right away you get your money back almost. You basically just made like $25, $35 off of that. So yeah. The next thing is this Trestique Good Vibes Mascara, and this is actually pretty cool. So it has a lash curler right on the top, so you just pull, it says flip down to curl right here, and you just pull it down, and you can just curl your lashes if you want. In my opinion, I probably won't ever use the lash curling part just because I have my big one, and this is just very small, and it seems like you'd have to kind of go around your eye like that. But let's see what the inside looks like. So this is what the brush looks like. It looks kind of similar to the Benefit Better Than Sex mascara, which I really do love that one, so I'm actually really excited to try this mascara out. And the MSRP on that is $25. The next thing I have is this Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. Let's smell this. I can't really smell it. I think I'm getting a little stuffed up, but the MSRP on this is $35, and it says this prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for a skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Let the plant do the dirty work. So I'm actually really excited to try this. I've been kind of experimenting with my skincare recently, and I've been finding good products, and also I have learned the hard way with some products. So I'm really excited to try this. The next product in here is this No Problem Prime Essence from Touch n Soul. I know a couple months ago we got a Touch n Soul primer, a pore minimizing primer, so this just says that it tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. So I guess it's kind of like the other primer that we got from them. So this is what the tube looks like, and it's a squeezy tube. I'm just going to put a little on the back of my hand. Ooh, it's really runny. That's kind of weird. This is like really runny. Put in. I mean, it's very like hydrating and smooth, it feels like. Kind of like it doesn't feel silicone-y, but it just feels really, really smooth. Like the back of my hand feels baby soft now. And the MSRP on this is $23. The next thing is this Dominique Cosmetics Peach Tea Lip Gloss. Yep, this is the Lemonade Lip Gloss. So let's just open this bad boy up. This is what it looks like. It looks like a very peachy color. I'm just going to swatch this on my hand. So it's right there. It's very shiny, and it seems kind of like a thicker type of gloss. This, ooh, smells so good. Yes, yes. Oh, I love the smell of that. So that retails for $17. The next thing in here is this Pharmacy Honey Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. And recently I've been getting really into serums, so I saw this in like a sneak and I was really excited. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my hand as well. Ooh, that's a lot. But this is what the bottle looks like. It's very sleek and clean. I like it. I know we got a cleanser from them, and I really, really love that. I think it hydrates my skin really well, so I'm just going to kind of bring this down my arm. This feels really nice and like lightweight, but also like super hydrating at the same time. And that pharmacy serum retails for $58. So already, like off the bat, we got 2 products that just completely cover the whole box as is separately, so that's awesome. The next thing is this Skin & Co. Aqua Illuminate Viso. It says it's a truffle therapy illuminating skin refresh mist. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out. It's kind of like a... I really like the smell of it. It smells like natural and like organic almost. Feels really nice on the skin. So this retails for $35. The next thing is this Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. And this says it's a styling and finishing spray. It says it creates instant volume and texture that's almost as light as air for big, lasting results on dry hair. It offers UV protection, is silicone-free, and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. So this retails for $29, and I guess you probably just spray it in and use it to like plump up the hair a little bit. Yep, it says shake before each spray, section and spray roots to ends, and then tussle to boost volume. I'm not going to use this today. My hair looks fine. I don't want to have to wash it tonight, so I will have to try this out in a video if I think about it, or if I do like a hair video or something like that. And then the last thing in here is this Tarteist Pro Glow Cheek Palette. This is the Pro Glow 3 Cheek Palette. And this retails for $45. So this is another product that is basically almost your money's worth. So in this palette, it looks like we got 2 blushes, 2 highlights, and 2 bronzers. I'm really excited to try this out. When I saw the sneak for this too, I was really excited. And we actually got to pick, like kind of customize our box a little bit this month. So this is what I wanted. So I'm really glad I got this. So that retails for $45. I don't remember if I said that. So now I'm just going to go through and just total them all up, and we can see what our total outcome was. So the total of the box was $252. Sorry, my phone screen is so dirty. So you're basically getting $300 worth of product completely free, and I recommend this box to anyone. I think it's awesome, like especially those people who are just like looking to try makeup and skincare and hair care, and even just for like a couple times, just to kind of see like products and get different brands and stuff like that you can try. I've always been really satisfied with BoxyLuxe and BoxyCharm, so I recommend it to anyone. So yeah, if you like this video, then just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't ever miss one of my future uploads. And yeah, so this is the 3rd video I filmed today with this shirt and this look, so just be aware of that. I'm not doing the same thing over and over again. But anyways, so just stay tuned for more videos like this. I want to start doing my BoxyCharm every month, and then my BoxyLuxe every month that it comes. Every 3 months I'll do a BoxyLuxe unboxing. And yeah, so if you like this video, then just give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I know I already said that. And yeah, I'll just see you next time. Bye guys!